Okay, now let me create another same variable name, and I keep saying the same thing, but Lucy. Okay, and what I want to do, sorry, what I want to do is I want to uh, use upper and lower method to uh, make this string uppercase or lowercase. So I say name, actually I use the, and I use and I use upper method here, uh, and I print it on the screen. So it gives all of the string tool. And if I create this one, after this one I make it lower, I use the lower method, I lowered all of them. So if I want to, if here, for example, I have on this value, I have extra space here. So I don't need to that extra space here. I can strip those space or take all this space out. So I have the, I put the variable name and I use the strip. That should be, this method is going to be used. So let me see that how is going to be for the, so I remove, the strip is used for removing the before or after string any space. I have here a string. See, on this one doesn't show you that I have actually here. So it takes all the strings from front or end of the